What's going on, everybody? Ladies and gentlemen, Simply Pops here, back at it again with another video, and I'm making this one real quick. I gotta catch my flight to ATL. I'm leaving here like 5 o'clock. It is 4 o'clock right now, so I'm making this video last minute. No editing allowed. I don't have no time to edit this video at all. And really, I just don't feel like it, to be honest with you guys. I'm gonna show you guys what's inside my travel bag, my tech bag, whatever you like to call it. I know you guys like to see what other people have, or what other people like to put in their bag, or whatever, but this video, this is what I carry on my travel days. So this is the Herschel bag. I believe this is the Heritage. Just zooming everything in, camo, midnight, and you have red. You know what I mean? Safe colors. I like this bag a lot. And we have a bunch of tech in here. So as soon as you open it up, let me zoom in. I have my Beats. So my Beats, this is just the Solo 3s. Right? This is the Olive. I made a video on that. I'll throw a link in the description. And yeah, the W1 chip is freaking amazing. As soon as you press the power button, it automatically connects to my iPhone. You don't have to go into Bluetooth, none of that crazy stuff. And by the way, I'm only going for 3 days, so you know, it's not gonna be too savagery. It's not gonna be too much stuff. But this here is my drone. This is gonna be my Spark drone. I want to give you guys some more drone footage around the world. You know what I mean? Cali, ATL, Florida. I want to give you guys some more drone footage. And this is a case. All right, nice little cheap case that I brought on Amazon. And this case right here only ran me like about $23. And it actually includes some kind of protection for the lens, so you know what I mean, prevent it from damaging. And I also have 2 battery compartments here, so they fully charged right now currently. And yeah, I got the remote control to control my drone. And this is my OTG cable, on the go cable, so it's hardwired from my phone to the remote control. That's always the best option. And I also have my my guards here, have the charger, and I also have like some kind of range extender. So if I fly this thing far, then yeah, this thing is gonna boost up the range. So it really works though. It's no gimmick at all. Let me just, yeah, nah, I'm not even gonna show you guys that. I'm running late. I don't have no time to be doing anything fancy. So it's a nice case, carbon fiber, red trim. I wanted to get the blue one, but I guess, hey, I ordered a red one. This is what it is. Let's keep it moving. Let's put this to the side. I really don't have that much stuff. I'm telling you guys, I really don't have that much stuff in here at all. Nothing but tech. And I have 2 unmatching socks. My Nintendo Switch, like, Nintendo Switch is a genius idea. Oh, I opened it wrong way. Such a genius idea. I love this Nintendo Switch so much. It's just the fact how this is a console and a handheld at the same time. So now I don't have to worry about bringing my PS4, that heavy old PS4 or Xbox One or whatever. Just bring this. I'm not going to bring the dock because I feel like this is a wedding that I'm going to, so there's not going to really be any TVs anywhere. But I think the Switch will make a perfect device for parties. You can play Mario Kart on the go, detach the Joy-Cons, play some split screen on the go. Nintendo Switch is amazing. And I'm also bringing games, Super Mario Odyssey, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, Doom. Now the Labo, I'm not going to bring that, and I have Bayonetta 2. In this case, nice little cheap case that I brought on Amazon. I throw that link in the description too as well. Very, very nice. Alright, next up, I'm bringing my laptop. I gotta work on the go too. You know what I mean? Those nights, I hate sleeping at night sometimes. I just like to edit videos and get things done. You know, sleep through the day and then we play all through the late night. Yeah, I messed that up. That's the Travis Scott Through the Late Night song. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna bring my MacBook because the drone footage, I want to be able to edit the vlogs for you guys on the go, so I have to work on a lot of vlogs when I get back. You know, I just want to make my time a little bit more efficient. I should get a case for this though. The skin is not gonna do enough protection. Okay, and next up, I just got a bunch of chargers. Right, so I got my power bank. You can't go anywhere without this. You need that to charge your phone, your tablet. My MacBook Pro charger. This is the MagSafe 2, the OG cable. And that's pretty much it. Now these smart compartments, this is just my typical sunglasses, my Ray-Bans. Got lotion, you never know, your elbows sometimes get ashy from time to time. I actually have 2 lotions in here, so if one runs out. Have a pen, have a pencil. Always be prepared. There's always that time where you don't have a pen or a pencil. Now you have one on deck. Let me put those back right now. It is 4:20. I gotta get out of here soon. This little small compartment, bunch of cables. So I have my DJI charging cable. So it's gonna charge the drone up pretty fast. I have my USB Type-C cable to charge the switch, or even charge the, just the switch. And I also have a micro USB because my Solo 3s, it only supports micro USB, so that kind of sucks. Batteries for my camera. You guys already know I have like a lot of batteries in here. Well, there's more upstairs. Okay, of course, anywhere I go I always bring this. This is just a cross, you know what I mean, just showing my respect. And I have my thumb drive. Really, I don't need to bring this. This is all my school stuff that I just never took out. But yeah, and that's pretty much it. Oh, the side compartments I haven't really touched. I can't bring no juice or nothing anyway. I don't think you can. I don't think so. The little side compartment here, just more pens, papers. What kind of paper this is, I don't know. But I'm not going to open it up live on camera. But that's pretty much what's inside my travel/tech bag. In a nutshell, for 3 days going to ATL. I think these are all the essentials. Just to recap everything real quick, I just have my MacBook Pro. I have my Nintendo Switch. I have my my Beats. And I also have my my Spark drone. So that's pretty much it. That's all I'm bringing. And that's all I need. 2 unmatching socks. That's how you know this video is last minute. Alright guys, until next time, peace. And thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already if you're new, with notifications on. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Later.